Hello, this is Carrie Livingood, and thank you for taking a moment to learn about how you can improve your internal communication with Microsoft Teams. In this video, we will be discussing how to get your company started on Teams with two different approaches, the organic approach and the planned approach. We will also show you how to set up Teams and how to manage permissions and access to teams and channels for you to start setting up your own environment. Under the supervision of your appointed Teams champion, either of these methods will get your staff up and running in no time. If you choose the organic approach for setting up your staff with Microsoft Teams, the first thing you will need to do is provide everyone with instructions on how to install and access the Teams application. Your vCIO can provide you with sysadmin's installation instructions if needed. We will also be covering how to install Teams in an upcoming video. Once a user is logged into Teams, they will be welcomed to a blank slate for them to create their own teams and channels. This is beneficial if you are in need of internal communication immediately, and if your staff can navigate through the Teams environment and create their groups and permissions without supervision. If a virtual environment is unfamiliar to your staff, or you would like to manage the permissions and access, then the planned approach is the best method for rolling out Microsoft Teams. The Teams champion will access Teams first and set up teams, channels, and memberships to get you and your staff started. Once your Teams environment is set up, then provide installation and access instructions to your staff. Either of these methods will require some knowledge on how to set up teams and channels. You can create teams for your different departments and then create channels for different groups within those departments. When logged into Microsoft Teams, access the Teams tab on the left-hand side. On the bottom left, there is an option to join or create a new team. Click on this and the window will open to build a team from scratch or create a team from an existing 365 group. These 365 groups include distribution groups that may already be set up with your organization. For this video, we will show you how to create a team from scratch. Determine if you would like this team to be private or public. Then you will need to name your team. Once complete, add users to your team by clicking on the three gray dots and selecting Add Members, or go to Team Management and select Add Member from there. Start finding users by typing in their name. All users with a license for Teams will be available for you to select. Once you have all members you would like added to this team, click on Add. In Team Management, you can edit many different features like members and guest permissions, access to emojis and GIFs, and customizing your team picture. You can also add and manage your channels from here as well. Now that you're set up with teams and channels, you can get rolling on Microsoft Teams. Thank you! And if you have any questions or want to contact our service desk, feel free to reach out to us.